Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be looking at rates and how to assign those rates to your lot. My name is Luke and welcome to PitchCamp. Today we're going to start by going into our rates section where we're going to have access to all our rates. Rates can either be modified or you can add a new one by selecting the new base rate option here at the top. To edit a rate, just simply double click on it. Change the rates for the daily, weekly, monthly, and seasonal price as fit, and save. If you don't have any weekly, monthly, or seasonal price, you can simply put in a daily price, or vice versa. If you only have a seasonal price, then only the seasonal price will be applied for those lots. Once you have your transient lots and seasonal rates configured, you can either create a new one or edit the rate name and save it. And these rate names is what we're going to be adding to our lots. So let's go down to our lot section. Currently we have 3 lots that are configured. We can see that the rate names for each of these individual lots are associated here in this column called rate name. If we need to edit one, we can simply double click on it, go down to the rate name and select the rate name that we wish to assign to this lot. We can also do bulk updates, and the way we do it is we select the rows that we need. For instance, let's say we have lot number 2 and 3. We want a bulk update for the rate names. Then we go up to the bulk update menu and we would select the rate name, where at that point we would select either the seasonal and transient 30 amp in our case, which are the 2 rate names we have assigned, and save. And that is going to update our selected lots with that respective rate name.